Hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen and another summer episode. Staying out of the heat, no more cooking. This one requires no cooking whatsoever. Only 6 ingredients, very easy to whip together, and it's nice and cool and refreshing for summer, for eating too, because the ingredients are all refreshing ingredients. Now, there's roast beef in here, and you know, with roast beef, I like to use cheese, right? We all know I like to use cheese. However, keeping this for nice and fresh, I'm using pickled vegetables in here. In this case, today I've got pickled asparagus, but I was actually hoping to get some pickled red bell peppers, but really hard to get here in Japan. And I could probably get them from Amazon or something like that. Sometimes you get stuff from there I can't get here. But either way, I'm sticking away from the cheese. I want to keep it light. Now, if I was going to use a cheese in here, I would use an Emmental, a Swiss cheese. You know, the one that everybody calls Swiss cheese with holes. It's actually Emmental cheese. Because it's light, it would suit this well. Other than that, yeah, stick with the vegetable stuff we got in here. Pickled vegetables, not just your regular boring vegetables. These are pickled vegetables. All right. Also make a cool sauce in here to give it a little kick. So let's go to the kitchen and make this right now. All right, this really is a summer easy. It's 6 ingredients. That's it. That's all you need. Across the front here, to make the sauce I'm going to spread on here, I've got a half a cup of sour cream, I've got 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I got 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Now that could also be wasabi or horseradish. You can mix this up. I don't know if I go for a full tablespoon of wasabi, that would clear your sinuses out. Probably go for about half a tablespoon though. I do like my wasabi. Today actually, disclaimer, I was thinking of changing up the mustard for the wasabi, and I found that there was no wasabi here. So, okay, I thought, okay, let's stick with the original mustard plan. But anyway, you can switch back and forth, try different things like that. Then, the main event, of course, is the roast beef. That is 10 ounces or 280 grams of sliced roast beef. I get that here at the Kintetsu, which is about a 10-minute walk from our place. You go into Tennoji, you go down into Kintetsu, and there's a place down in the food floor area where I usually get that barbecued pork. Well, I also get this roast beef from there. Really good stuff. I mean, look at that, just absolutely perfect. Then, I've got here a jar of white asparagus. You know, they get that kind of pickled jar of white asparagus? Now, I love this stuff. Not everybody does, but I love it. I'll take those and just eat them just like that. I could get a jar of these sometimes as a treat and a snack on them. So those are going in here with this, but the other thing to do, and this is one of the things I would do if I could get a hold of them, it's really hard for me to find, is those pickled red bell peppers. Those, pickled pepper pieces. Oh, look at that. 3 pieces in a row. Get those in there too, really good. So, any kind of pickled vegetable actually would be really nice with this. And then today I've got a ciabatta bun, a big one. There's a big hole in the center. I didn't even notice that when I was cutting it open. Cut it in half, horizontally. All right. So, first thing I want to do is put that ciabatta off to one side, meat off to one side. I'm going to mix up that, the spread. So that's the, that came out nicely. Sour cream. Make a little well in there and get the mayonnaise. In there. All right. Okay. Oh, a little bit there. Right. And let's add that Dijon mustard. It's going to give it a little kick. All right. And then just blend it together. So, squish down the Just sour cream is a little stiffer than the other ingredients, so you just gotta squish them down into it a bit. Doesn't have to be totally perfectly mixed or anything like that. Get some lumps there, that's okay. Alright. Okay, so we got a lot of that. That's looking perfect. Now I've got a ciabatta bun. Let's see how easy this is. I mean, wow. Simple, quick. This is going to be dinner tonight at our place. Alright, so just going to spread that on there. I think for the smaller bun that I've got today, I got a little bit too much of this. That's okay. Got any left over? You use it on other things. Alright, so get that in there. Yeah, that's a little much for this. They give me a smaller ciabatta bun today. Oh well. Alright, just put it on whatever amount you feel like. You could go super heavy. I was going to go about that amount right there. Alright, so just put that off to one side. Now, it's just a simple assembly time. Need to lay in that meat in there. Alright, I think I don't quite need all of it, so oh, you know what's really good? Take that. Put a little of this on there. That goes together. Alright, now there's always, every time, no matter how long you drain these, yeah, see, there's still some liquid in there. I've had these sitting upside down draining for about half an hour, and there's still some in there. Alright, just gonna lay those across there, and look at that. One's not gonna fit. Yeah, I love these things. A lot of times, at home, what I'll do is I'll just have a jar of those, get them, and have some mayonnaise. Sometimes I add a little something to the mayonnaise. Like I've done that with curry, a little curry powder in there, and then dip in the mayonnaise and eat. Oh, so good. And again, that's not going to fit on there, so yeah. All right, now. There we go. Whoa. Stay there. All right. I'm going to cut that in half after, so Rick will have one half, I'll have the other half. I think I'm just going to carry it home this way, though. It's a little safer. All right. Cool. Make this. Look how easy it is to make. And no heat in the kitchen. Nice, cool sandwich. A little bit messy, but that might just be me. Alright, so if you like this simple to slap together and no cooking and a nice cool treat for summer, well, stick around. Check out the channel. There's a lot more original Kevin Riley recipes right here on the Kuma's Kitchen channel on YouTube. Also, make sure that you are subscribed and you click that notification bell. That makes sure you don't miss any when new ones come out. Now, go make this sandwich and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.